Hi, I'm Charles MacLeod. I'm the Babcock International Group Royal Academy of Engineering Chair in Sensor-Driven Welding, and I'm a professor in the Centre for Ultrasonic Engineering Group and the Advanced Nuclear Research Centre at the University of Strathclyde. Today we're here talking about a £3.7 million Innovate UK funded project, part of the Glasgow City Region Innovation Accelerator. So this project is seeking to revolutionise these two traditional sectors between welding and inspection, and fundamentally deliver welds that are right first time at 50% of the cost, 50% of the labour, on time and on budget. This project seeks to deliver a world first of inspection directly at the point of manufacture during welding. We have developed sensors that can operate in the harsh, high temperature environments of welding, operating roughly just behind the welding torch, detecting defects as they occur, compensating for temperature, gradients, partially filled grooves, and the challenging noisy interference generated by the process. So as part of this project, we have engaged and set up a robotic and autonomous welding training course. We have cells that can be deployed within the university and out into the Glasgow City region to companies to train their welders, their future welders and their current welders in robotics and automation, so that they're fit for this new age and century. This innovation seeks to deliver impact for society and the businesses at pace and at scale, but fundamentally it will reduce costs in the heavy manufacture of critical national assets. It will reduce energy requirements by minimizing the required reheating and cooling of components, but also fundamentally save significant amount of wasted time and money through lost schedule certainty.